All right, so let's look at the Roman 2. Calculate the number of bulbs in the 15th row. All right, so what's the number of bulbs in the first row? So first row, how many bulbs are there? That's one bulb. And in the second row, how many bulbs are there? There are three bulbs. All right, and third row, how many bulbs are there? There are five bulbs. Now we see a connection between the row number and the term number. See, first row there's one bulb, and where it is one bulb, that's the first term of the progression. And second row has three bulbs, and it's the second term. So the number of bulbs in each row. Now, for an example, third row bulbs are indicated by the third term of the progression. What is that? 5. So calculate the number of bulbs in the 15th row. So number of bulbs in the 15th row should be represented by which term? Looking at the pattern, third row's bulbs are represented by the third term, 5. The fourth row's bulbs is represented by the fourth term. So number of bulbs in the 15th row should be represented by which term in the progression? By the 15th term. How do we write 15th term? Using symbol T15. So number of bulbs in the 15th row is equal to what? The 15th term that is coming in the sequence or in the arithmetic progression. So how do we find what's T15 or the 15th term? So we got to write the formula. What is it? The nth term is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 times d. All of you got to know this formula by heart. So what are you supposed to find out? T15. So T15 is equal to what? What's A? The first term of the progression. See, in Roman 1, you have written the progression. What's the first term? That's 1 plus. What's N? In the place of N, you have written 15. So same 15 should be coming here too. So 15 minus 1 times D. What's D? The common difference of the progression. Can you remember when we did Roman 1, we found out there is a common difference, and what is it? It's 2. In case if you have forgotten, how do you find it? Since we know this is an arithmetic progression, we can find the common difference by taking any two terms. Let's take 3 and 1. So 3 minus 1. What is it? 2. Or we can do 5 minus 3 or 7 minus 5, whatever you wish. All right. So now we got T15 or 15th term equals 1 plus, follow BODMAS, first two what's inside the brackets, 14 times 2. So T15 or the 15th term is equal to 1 plus 14 times 2, which is 28. So T15 or the 15th term is equal to 29. So what does that mean? How many bulbs should be there in the 15th row? 29 bulbs. So you can write the answer as what? There are, or there should be 29 bulbs in the 15th row.